This is Animal Fact Fleet Tyler from King Family Pythons. I think it's high time for another blast from the past. This is part of the jawbone of a mosasaur, a family of very incredible marine creatures that a lot of people know if you've watched the Jurassic franchise, due to that incredible scene where the Mosasaurus, comes up and eats the shark. Though, that's not even what a Mosasaurus actually looked like. Mosasaurs didn't have any of those osteoderms, and it was not as big as the Mosasaurus from Jurassic World. The largest of the Mosasaurus, Mosasaurus hoffmanni, I think got around 30 feet in length, so still pretty big, but not as big as the Mosasaur from Jurassic World. But there were some parts of the Mosasaur that they got right. One being the palatal teeth. In case you didn't notice, Mosasaurs actually had a second set of teeth on the roof of their mouth. Helps that way prey doesn't slip out of their jaws. And Mosasaurs, believe it or not, are actually close relatives to modern-day monitor lizards because they actually have forked tongues. I know, it's crazy, but they do. Yes, they did. Just the one in Jurassic World doesn't have a forked tongue. So unscientifically accurate. And Mosasaurs actually were kind of a breakthrough in evolution because well, they were able to copy something from sharks. Because in case you didn't know, sharks' skin isn't made out of scales. It's made out of dermal denticles. Those translates to tiny teeth. It allows the shark to swim through water faster and quieter with minimal drag. And some Mosasaurs actually copied that and have their scales shaped like that. Incredible, right? And Mosasaurs were actually pretty smart, too. Even thought that they could be able to count. That's incredible. And Mosasaurs, they mostly snacked on ammonites, but they could snack on a variety of stuff. Some specifically went after ammonites, because not all of them had teeth like this. Instead, they had rounder teeth, which were adapted to crush the shell of ammonites, because ammonite shells actually have air in them, which keeps them buoyant. So, the ammonites, after they have their shell crushed, they just float to the bottom. And then they can snack on them later. It's even theorized that they taught the younglings how to do it. But Mosasaurs are incredible. Make sure to like and follow King Family Pythons on Instagram to see his next Animal Fact Week with Tyler, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, peace.